To make this earring, you will need 2 pieces of wire. You will need bugle beads, bicones, and some seed beads. You will also need ear hooks, 2 jump rings, and 2 crimp beads. And I also use a little clip here to hold the wire so the beads won't fall off at the other end. First you put on clip, and then you start beading in the pattern you like. First you start with 1 seed bead, a bugle bead, 1 seed bead, bugle bead, and a seed bead, 1 seed bead, 1 bugle bead, one seed bead, and a bugle bead, and 1 seed bead, and now we're going to take a bicone. And then a seed bead, a bugle bead, one seed bead, and then another bicone. These are 4 millimeters, by the way. And then a seed bead again. And a bugle bead. And a seed bead. And the bicone. Seed bead. Bugle bead. Seed bead, 1 bugle bead, seed bead, and a bugle bead, seed bead, a seed bead, and the last bugle beads, and the last seed bead. There you go. Take the clip off. And now your earring will look like this. When you're done beading, you put your ends together like this. And then you get your crimp bead. This is a tiny little one for wire. Like that. You put it down a little bit. Like that. Then you pull one of your ends. I think I'm going to take this one. And I usually hold the crimp bead with my thumbnail. Like that. Then you get one of your pliers. And you take the end and you try to push it through the seed bead to create a loop. Like that. Just push it down there. Now you see the end is coming down here. You pull it until you get a loop. Pull everything tight like this. And you get everything ready. Just squeeze that crimp bead together. Maybe I will make a little bit loop a little bit smaller. Try also to get the loop flat like that, and then you just crimp it. Like so. And after that, you get a cutter and you cut the excess off. Like that. There you go. You try to sort the beads so it's even on both sides. There you go. Now you got your earring. And all you have to do now is to put the earring together. So you grab your jump ring. You open it. Put your ear hook on and your earring. Close the jump ring. Make sure that everything is straight. There you have it. Now you got a pair of new earrings. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content. Bye-bye.